Right, so let's look at inverse functions with this. Let's start with this problem where you've got a circular ink blot. It's expanding. The area of the blot is increasing at a rate of 1 centimeter squared per second. Find the rate of change. Let's highlight a couple of words. Firstly, there's an increase of area at a certain rate. And the rate of change of the radius, what we want to do is find the rate of change of radius when the diameter is 1 centimeter. So let's put a couple of things in there. Firstly, the area is increasing, so therefore dA over dt equals 1. And we want to find dr over dt. Okay, that's what we want to find. Now we know A and R are actually related because it's circular. We know the area is going to be pi r squared, and then we can therefore write dA over dr is 2 pi r. Now if we were to write the chain rule, put all of these factors in using the chain rule, we know dr over dt is going to be, as though they were fraction, let's put dr at the top, dt at the bottom, and in between them let's put a dA. Now we already know what the d over dt is. Now we just need to work out what dr over dt is. Sorry, we know what dr over dt is. We know what dA over dt is. This equals 1. We need to work out what dr over dA is. Now we know dA over dr, but dr over dA is 1 over dA over dr. This is 1 over 2 pi r. Now when the diameter is 1 centimeter, then we know r equals a half. And so dr over dA equals 1 over 2 pi times a half, which is 1 over pi. And so dr over dt is going to be dr over dA, which is 1 over pi. Could you just quiet down for a second, please? Dr over dt is 1 over pi times dA over dt, which is 1 over 2 pi. Oh, sorry, it is 1 over pi, the half cancels. And that should give us 0.318, is that correct? Okay, centimeters per second, yeah. You could do, but then you get a square root. Okay. So, I mean, you should get the same result. It might be a bit more tricky to fiddle with because of that square root and then using a chain rule again. But inevitably, did you get the same result? Okay. Oh, I see, right, yeah. But then, yeah, if the question was set up that way, then fair enough. But obviously they've given us the diameter at that point. So I guess, yeah, you could divide it by 2, work out pi r squared, that gives you A, and then put it in, but it's a bit more long-winded, I guess. Yeah. Is that okay? Any questions?